Hi, CWS peeps. This assignment is about writing a body paragraph that follows a DBQ called What Types of Citizens Does a Democracy Need? So, the purpose of this video is to give you the overview of the assignment. Now, you have either a paper copy or an electronic version of the DBQ, and the front page gives you the overview and the title of the three documents. The focus of this is an experiment from an elementary school about if there was a colony established on the moon, what would be the types of people, what's the profile of their personality and their skill set that the U.S. government should send to the moon to start an initial colony population. So there's a background essay that in another video I'll read to you. And we have the bucketing, the three types here. And you're going to choose what you want to talk about. A body paragraph that talks about the personally responsible citizen, the participatory citizen, somebody that gets very involved and active, or the justice-oriented citizen, somebody that's clearly very interested in rules, laws, and justice, fairness. The first document will be about intermediate students collecting food for a food drive and how the sheer numbers of people that get involved can help resolve a situation. Document B goes through sort of the evolution of somebody's participation through the years as they get older. And then finally, document C takes a look at Cesar Chavez and his nonviolent protests to the California government's control over farm workers and their not letting them create a union. And so you've got three very different documents. And there's an example of a chicken foot here for the thesis statement, but you're not having to write the whole DBQ. You're only going to write a paragraph. So then the last piece of this shows you what you actually have to do. So after you read the background essay, the three documents, answer the questions, you're going to construct one body paragraph instead of three that addresses one of the major types of citizens that a new democratic colony would need. So we have provided you with three options. I'll let you read those and just decide which one you're most interested in choosing. And you can rewrite it, but this last piece here, the personally responsible or the participatory individual or the justice-oriented citizen, those are the important pieces of those sentences. Then the middle part of the body paragraph is where you find documented evidence that supports your topic sentence. And so this, in parentheses, subnote here talks about how you actually cite that information. You can cite just simply by stating the information, the factual information you got from the document, and then in parentheses, Doc A, please capitalize those things. Or you can embed it in your writing and start, for instance, according to the photo or the text or the graph in document A, and then you just start describing what's in the document. This is not original thinking, original information. This is from the documentation, the documents we provided you. Okay, and then the last part of the paragraph, so it's still just one paragraph, is the argument section. So you're going to argue your point, explain your evidence and why it is important to the movement. This explanation, discussion, or argument you use, any of those kind of words in your mind, is your opinion, your thinking. So make some connections here from the evidence to the topic sentence. And I wrote an example here that could be used. So please don't use this, but this would be an example of an argument. Send roughly 90% personally responsible citizens to follow through with orders from the leaders. A democracy needs reliable foot soldiers that are the building blocks of a community and not too many generals. I hope this helps you understand what you're to do. There is a Google Doc that's attached to this assignment that you need to type in. It's already formatted in MLA, so you don't have to do anything more to get it to that format. Good luck.